Hello my friends, welcome back. Leanna here. Welcome to the 12 days of Christmas. Today is day 11. Our little stack of bags has dwindled down to just 2 more bags. If you are new and just getting started, you can go back several videos. There's a whole series. We're covering all 12 days, and you can watch one of the earlier videos where I explain what the 12 days of Christmas are. They traditionally start on Christmas Day, and each day I am giving everybody a wish for 2022 to correspond with the month that goes along with that day. Today being day 11, we are going to be talking about the month of November. So as usual, before I tell you what my wish for you is for the month of November, let me give you a little history lesson. November comes from the Latin word novum, which means 9. It was the 9th month until January and February were added to the calendar, and so much of the symbolism of the month of November goes along with the number 9. November represents the transition from the harvest time into the winter months. Some of the dates celebrated in November are November 1st is All Saints' Day, November 8th is Election Day, and the Farmer's Almanac has a recipe to make an election cake to help you celebrate. November the 6th is the end of daylight savings time, much to everybody's unhappiness. Me, for one, just put the time somewhere and leave it there, please. November the 11th is Veterans Day, and it's also Remembrance Day in Canada, and it's also Singles Day. I had no clue. November 19th is International Men's Day. November 24th is obviously Thanksgiving Day in the United States. November 25th is Black Friday, where all of us spend way too much money, and it is also Buy Nothing Day. How does that make any sense? November the 27th is the first Sunday of Advent. November 28th is Cyber Monday, and it's also French Toast Day. And November 29th is Giving Tuesday. And then some more fun November dates, because there's a lot going on in November. If you think about it, October actually starts all of the festivals and the this and the that's and all the gatherings. This is a time where people really start to gather, October, November, and December. So November 1st is National Cook for Your Pet Day. November 3rd is National Sandwich Day. November the 4th is Love Your Lawyer Day. November 9th is International Scrabble Day. November 14th is National Pickle Day. November 16th is National Button Day. November 17th is Take a Hike Day and Unfriend Day. So with the word November meaning 9, and looking into the number 9 to find out what the meaning behind that is, the meaning of 9 is change. Life is always changing, and so the month of November is a good time to think about change. We're changing from fall going into winter months, and so November is a good time to really embrace change. Most of the people that I know do not like change. People do not like to embrace change. But if you can embrace change, it will definitely make you more flexible. And you never know when you accept a change how that affects your life, because when one door closes, another door opens. So my wish for you for the month of November is for you to spend some time reflecting on what you might need to change in your life, whether it's a situation, whether it's something about yourself that you would like to change. Maybe you want to change your couch. I don't know. But spend the month of November thinking about how you can make positive changes in your life. Okay, so now let's open up door number 11 in the Sigma 12 Days of Beauty. Is it a brush? I'm needing another brush. This is 11. It's looking kind of long. It might be a brush. What do y'all think? It's a brush. Have another brush. And it's gold like the other brush and the spatula that I couldn't figure out. This is an E38 diffused crease brush. Very nice. It's a very nice brush. So I'm excited about that. My second little Sigma brush, because the other was a spatula. That's not a brush, but this is cool. I'm happy with that. And now let's open up bag number 11 to see what your gift is for today that you can enter in to win. And today, I'm excited about today's. Today we have a face mask. This is Playlist Moisturizing and Brightening Sheet Mask. It has tiger grass and snow mushrooms in it. I have not tried one of these. I don't know if I have more than one of these or not, but that sounds good. Tiger grass and snow mushroom. Interesting. I believe this is Korean Beauty. And then we have one of my favorite palettes, and that is the Juvia's Place Nubian 3 Coral palette. I love this palette. I love the color story. I love Juvia's Place formulas anyway, but the color story in this palette is amazing. I have this palette, obviously, and I can't show you because it's taped shut, and I don't want to open it because I want you, whoever it is that wins, to be able to open it. But this is an amazing palette. It is in my top 5 palettes. I love this palette. So there we go. There's the gifts that you can enter in to win today, day 11. And now, once again, it's time for the giveaway rules. Let's see how fast I can say them. You have to like my video. You have to be 18 years of age or older to enter to win. You must be publicly subscribed to my YouTube channel. Oh gosh, when is the date? Okay. This giveaway will end on the 6th of January. At that time, I will use a random comment picker to pick a winner based on the word that you will put down in the comments in a complete sentence, and I will tell you what that secret word is here shortly. Once a winner is chosen, I will reach out to them and let them know that they have been chosen. Give them 48 hours to respond to me to claim their prize. If they do not, I will come back and pick another winner. YouTube nor any of the brands shown or mentioned are affiliated with this giveaway. Everything in this giveaway was paid for by me. Once I ship the package, I am no longer liable. It is not my responsibility as to how long it takes to get you the condition that it's in or whether or not it arrives. Yay! All the rules are down in the description because I'm sure that I forgot something. So, the secret word for today is change. Use change in a complete sentence down in the comments section to be entered to win today's gift. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and allowing me to give you a wish for the month of November so that you can have a beautiful 2022. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. If you've enjoyed my video, give it a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel and it sure would make my day. And hit that subscription button if you're not already subscribed. Ring that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, you need some change. I'm sure that there's probably some in the cushions of the recliner or maybe in the cushions of the couch. I think you should go look and see. Okay? Mama loves you, boo.